Oh, that's a cool chair.
Those are her gravity chairs. I couldn't get out. Technically, I need some help there, Amanda?
I don't think I have the chairs put together.
Technically, I made it.
Oh.
I could throw you right over my shoulder and just carry you right on down the river.
I don't think I put them together right.
Brendan's right behind you.
Cody got my stag beetle.
Oh, wow.
I'm curious to see what that thing looks like in the sunlight. I haven't seen it yet. Brandon, you just missed it. Me and Dad were out on the dock and I was trying out that rat lure. I got my first bite for trying it out for the first time. Top water. Oh, the one I sent you guys? Yeah. Oh, cool.
Those ugly mice looking ones.
Oh man, dragon! I don't want to open this up. Yeah, you do. Dragon eggs. Well, this one you're gonna have to. color shit. Well, out there.
And he says it's yours because they don't drink it.
Well, this one. Well, yes, I made them, but with this one.
Oh wow!
You can put it on your desk at work.
Oh, surely am. How did you do that?
Be careful. She works for law enforcement. So oh shit! I don't know.
I'm a counselor. I'm not a state agent.
You might not need to be here around me today. She does. Well, we have.
That's beautiful.
Now this is the one I painted. Is that how it shifts? Did you use the space dust? Yep. Look at this one. She's gonna steal this one. She's a blue person. She's gonna steal it. Yeah, but Brandon, that white one there, that one is for you to paint. Oh. Your own way. Because the only thing it has on there is just crime. Did you use the airbrush on them?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Did you just buy this glue today or what?
No, it's a piece of styrofoam and them are thumbtacks.
Oh, my Lanta, that probably took forever.
About an hour. I've never had my Lanta. I'm not that old yet. Usually I just put on whatever type of music I'm in the mood for, and I
could probably do this.
You
And
could.
You could paint them.
There's actually, think you go back in my videos.
Thank you so much. They're beautiful.
You're very welcome. If you go back in my videos, there's an instructional video on how to do it. Have you seen my videos I posted? Yes. You've gotten, I think, all of the lures that I painted except for one.
I'm such a fish. I'm just like staring at the colors.
Yeah, but now we have a little bit more fun because last week I ordered the Galaxy and the Magic Dust.
Yeah.
Oh, by Amazon? Yes.
He loves me.
Sexy. That's okay. My butt's
Yeah,
So we wanted to do stuff that was fun, and look what the wind did to us. Say hi!
You look just about.
Say hi, Cody! Yeah! This is crazy!
Okay, everybody, this is Charlie. We got our potatoes about done, and we're going on with our ribeyes. And we're doing them on the flat top today. It'll be very good. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them to do. Then we'll go down with our chipotle lime shrimp and our squash on the very end. So y'all have a blessed one, and we'll bring you back in. Hi everybody, this is Charlie with Campers in Common. I can't even talk because I've had too much moonshine today.
Charles, right.
Oh, I'm sorry. So we are cooking dinner for all of our guests here tonight. We're going to be having medallion potatoes, Italian squash. We're going to be doing ribeye steak and a lime chipotle shrimp tonight.
Oh, I didn't know it was gonna be that.
Yes.
Hello everybody, this is Campers in Common. My name is Cody. I am filling in for my mother. Today we're doing a tutorial video review on this TeePee tent that my mother bought for me for Memorial Day weekend. The TeePee tent is very nice and roomy. It was kind of fun putting it up together, and it's very, very windy, as you can see, so let's have a look inside. The TeePee tent is all nice and roomy. I'm 6'4", so I'm glad it can hold me. It's got 3 windows. A lot of little pockets, and the big door on the front. I have it rolled up right now because it's windy and I didn't want it to be messy. We're here at Ute Lake, and we're going to go around the tent and have a look at it. It's got that rain guard flap right here on the outside. I thought that was a nice addition. And it has a big old window on the front of the tent that you can just zip down and sleep while you're looking at the stars. I thought that was really, really awesome. Well, everyone, that's it for Campers in Common. This is Cody signing out.
Hi.
I had to brush my hair. They didn't put my contacts in.
But you're enjoying your new chair?